You got it? Okay. So, look at me a little bit. On this, new fuel pump, new plugs, new oil filter, new oil, right? New oil sending sensor behind here, new circuit board, new fuel pump, new fuel lines. I also checked the fuel pressure. It's done. I took these connections apart and cleaned them to make sure there's no grease in there. New air filter. Now this is what it does. As soon as I let off the start button, it doesn't stay running. That's my problem. Tell me what you know.